Hello, my name is Sue. Now, I've been trying to find a median for grouped data. I keep getting stuck. I keep getting the wrong answer. So I'm going to ask maths teacher, Mr. Skeen, to help me out.
Yes, thank you, Sue. A few people have struggled a little bit with this, so I'd like to try and explain. So we're trying to find the median. Now, most people are okay about if I say find the median of these numbers, and they know to put them in order and then find the middle one.
I know, Mr. Skeen. I can do this one. It must be 130 to 140 because it's the middle one, isn't it?
No, Sue, this isn't the middle one, but it is a really common mistake. The median isn't here. Yes, it's the middle one of these, and I can understand why you say that. Let's have a look to see what you should do. Lots of people would say the median is here, but it's not. And this is often a trick on exam questions. Let me show you what you need to do. There's 100 students altogether. So there are 8 students up to here. So I'm actually going to write some numbers down at the side here just to help me. How many students below this height are there? So if I add these 16 to the 8, then I've got 24. Remember, what I'm interested in is the middle student is the 50th student. Well, you might argue it's a 50.5, but let's just say the 50th student. So you want the 50th student. So where are they? So there's 8 students up to there. So if I put all the students in order, there'll be 8 students there, 24 there, and then if I add these 25, that's 49. Then add these 32, so that's 79, 80, 81. And then add these other 19, it comes to 100. And that's also a nice way to check that you've done this correctly, because that last number we know should be 100. So where's the median? Where's the 50th student? The 50th student must be in this section. Only just, but they must be in this section. So the answer to our question is actually this one, not this one. So we would to answer this correctly, we just copy this. So it says which class interval is the median in? And there we go. Okay. Now, if you wanted to make it a bit harder, then you can actually estimate the median. You don't need to do that at GCSE. But if you want to make it a little bit harder, or A level, it would ask you to work out an estimate for the median. We don't need to do that. We just need to say where it is. Where is the 50th person? All right. All right. Let's have a look at one more example, just to make sure that you got it. So let's have a look at this one. So it's a similar question. So this time a manager recorded how long each customer spent in his supermarket. The table shows his results. So it's exactly the same question. Which class interval contains the median? So which one's the middle?
Mr. Skeen, I feel really confident about this one. Can I do this one, please?
Okay, Sue. I'll tell you what. Why don't you be the teacher and you tell me what to do?
So, Mr. Skeen, so it might not be the middle one. So if we add these numbers up at the end, so 24 and then 55, add another 50, so that's 105, add the 35, 140, then add 60, 200. So there must have been 200 people in the supermarket. So which one's the middle one? So we're looking for the 100th person. So where are they? They're not in this one, not in this one. They must be here. So actually, on this one, it is 20 to 30. Right, I think I've got it now, Mr. Skeen. But it's not always going to be the middle one there. So in exam questions, it's quite often not the obvious one. You actually need to think about what the numbers add up to, how many there are altogether. Thank you, Mr. Skeen.